Okay, I think I'm recording because my music's not playing. That's one way of knowing. I'm on my way to some dam with John from Motorcyclerow, DJ killing it, and Joseph 408. And the sun is shining, and the weather is sweet. Yeah. Makes you want to move your dancing feet, fool. So we're on our way to the dam. Ooh, look at that mud. Mud duckity ducks. I don't know where I am. I'm in Morgan Hill, California. And John thinks this is the fucking race. And I'm watching for potholes because we've had so much rain. Potholes are just opening up everywhere. It's really pretty out here, but it's also almost as expensive as where I live. I've been looking out here for a place to live. I might come live next to that cow right there. Everything's green from the rain. Damn, these houses are so sweet. A little chilly. Why you go through the water, Joe? You didn't need to. Oh my God, they're gonna get me wet right now. God damn it. Oh, cheaters. Cheaters. We got stuck behind the Prius. Thank you. See, where are these fools fucking taking me? I swear to God. Yeah, I don't fucking fly when I don't know where the fuck I'm going, you fucking weirdos. Selfie.